In 2 full days of hunting, we have not heard a single gobble. A bearded hen is a legal bird to shoot and is very tempting this late in the season. We decide to let her walk and hope she is a good mother and will produce more gobblers for the future. Our favorite way of turkey hunting is a mobile style of run and gun. Move and call until we locate a vocal gobbler. Our experience the previous day made us realize our best chances of spotting one of the silent longbeards was to blind up in an area with a good vantage point and wait.
Yeah. I just feel like this is where they want to be. At some point. Look how spread apart they are. There's some more coming out. There's a gobbler. Question is, what shapes he
As predicted, the gobbler shows himself without ever making a sound.
Just watch it. Why we didn't move? Amazing. He didn't make one gobble. He's just going. His head is solid white. Really? Yeah. There's not a lick of red on it. He looks like a big bird. Yeah, there's no way you're gonna call him off your names. We just gotta hope they come by us here. Hopefully this girl doesn't pick us out. She can run the show real quick. This is one situation you don't want to call. Yeah.
Even though we have eyes on the gobbler, the hunt situation is not in our favor. The field is full of hens, and he is a long ways off. Our tools and tactics of decoys, calling, and mobility are useless. On top of that, 2 more hens have joined him.
He's breaking stride. He's coming this way.
All we can do is sit back and watch him dance.
Let me know when you're gonna go for it. Okay.
2 more birds enter the field. They are 2 of the 4 jakes we have seen in the area.
That's a good bird. Thanks. Maybe I'll come up to these 2 hens. Yeah.
The 2 jakes pushing the gobbler off the hens just might be the motivation our boy needed to move in our direction.
How far out do you think he is there? 60, 45, 45. I could take him if I wanted to. I could take him if I wanted to. Let's let him get closer. Yeah. job. What a show.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, Jake, don't you mess with my bird.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. You started getting a little nervous there.
Well, I wonder what happened.
I don't know. We didn't move. I started switching my gun to the other. Had to move past that strap. The big bird. You know, some of these mornings, you know, you want to get out and start running and gunning, but when they're being quiet like that, not answering a call, best thing to do is just be patient and sit where you know they want to be and wait for them. And that's what we did this morning. This bird didn't gobble once. We watched him for about half hour. So sure, I'm happy with this and ready to take him home and cook him up like we did. We cooked our Kentucky bird last night with some morels, and my family ate it, and this one will do the same.